So, does getting stitches removed hurt? I get that question asked all the time. Here's a little video demonstrating how we take stitches out. These are horizontal stitches. This patient had what was called a triple nerve release, where we had to release 3 nerves in their lower extremity. One nerve is behind the ankle here, and this is where I'm removing stitches from the incision site to remove or to decompress the nerve to their ankle. And you can see this patient isn't even flinching. We're easily removing these stitches using a pair of iris scissors and pickups. We do a little tugging. Patient can't even feel it. We loosen up the stitch and then cut the loop, and it pulls right out. You know, a question I'm asked all the time is, how many stitches did you put in me? And you know, we don't have to count that. It's one of the things that we don't have to keep record of in the operating room, which is kind of a good thing because there's enough things for us to worry about. We have to keep track of our procedure in terms of which leg we're operating on. We want to make sure we don't lose any sponges. We have to count sponges. We have to count needles. There's a lot of different things we have to count, and there is really no benefit to counting how many stitches we've put into a patient. So if you've ever asked your surgeon, hey, how many stitches did I get? And they quickly answer, they're either making it up or they're a nice surgeon that actually counts how many stitches that have gone in so that they can tell their patient. Sometimes we'll do this, sometimes we don't. Normally I don't count my stitches. So we're moving on to the outside part of this patient's ankle. And you can see there's another incision back on the side. There's another nerve there called the Surl nerve that was released in this patient. And releasing the Surl nerve is a little atypical. We don't usually do that with a triple nerve release, but this patient had an entrapment from a previous surgery, so we're removing it. And again, you can see this is pretty neat. This patient's not even flinching. They've easily positioned their foot for us to take these stitches out. So I think it's pretty safe to say that if you're worried about getting stitches taken out, worry no more. You can see in this video, this patient easily had undergone removal of stitches, didn't flinch, didn't even move, and it was a nice, simple procedure. So don't worry if you have to get stitches taken out.